welcome aspiring Python programmers to our file handling in Python video. I'm Ali. In this video, we'll explore how to work with files in Python from reading and writing to more advanced file operations. File handling is an essential part of programming, allowing us to work with external data, create, modify, and store information. In Python, you can perform various operations on files, making it a powerful tool for data manipulation.
So let's start by understanding how to open and close files in Python.
It's crucial to properly manage file resources to avoid issues. Here's how you can open and close a file in Python. And in this example, we open the example.txt file in readr mode, read its contents, print them to the console, and then close the file to release its resources. Reading files allows you to retrieve data stored in them. You can read the entire file or line by line. Let's see how to read a file. In this code snippet, we open example.txt in read mode, iterate through its lines, and print each line to the console. Again, we close the file to release resources. Now that we're comfortable with reading, let's explore writing to files. Writing to files allows you to create and modify data. You can write new content, overwrite existing content, or append data to the end of a file. And here's how to write to a file. In this code, we open output.txt in write ww mode, write 2 lines of text to it, and then close the file. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. Now that we've covered reading and writing, let's explore different file modes. Python supports different file modes for various operations, such as reading, writing, and appending. Understanding these modes is essential for proper file handling. Let's take a look at common file modes. In this snippet, we demonstrate different file modes. R for reading, W for writing, creates or overwrites, and A for appending, creates or appends. We also emphasize the importance of closing files. Now that we understand file modes, let's explore a safer way to handle files using context managers. Using the with statement and context managers is a safer way to handle files. It ensures that files are properly closed even if an error occurs. Let's use context managers with the with statement. In this code, we open example.txt using a with statement. The with statement automatically manages the file's context, ensuring it's properly closed. Moving on, let's explore advanced file operations. Python offers advanced file operations, such as copying, moving, and deleting files. These operations are handy when working with large sets of files. Here's an example of copying a file. In this case, we use the shutl module to copy a file. Python provides similar modules for other advanced file operations. Before we conclude, let's discuss some best practices for file handling. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some best practices for file handling to ensure your code is robust and maintainable. Remember to close files properly, handle exceptions, use context managers with, and provide clear file paths. And additionally, consider using absolute file paths for better portability. So in this tutorial, we've explored the fundamentals of file handling in Python, from opening and closing files to reading and writing data. We've also touched on advanced file operations and best practices. With this knowledge, you're equipped to work with files in Python, whether it's reading data, writing reports, or managing files in your projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Python tutorials. For an in-depth explanation and practice exercises, please visit the relevant notebook on Google Colab and GitHub. The links are in the description box. See you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.